India has made significant strides in artificial intelligence research and development, but there are several factors that contribute to why a globally competitive AI chatbot, on the scale of OpenAI's ChatGPT or similar platforms, hasn't emerged yet. Here are a few key reasons. Access to large-scale data. AI models, especially large language models like ChatGPT, require access to vast data sets. These data sets consist of diverse, high-quality content such as books, websites, and conversations in multiple languages. While India has rich linguistic diversity, accessing large amounts of structured, multilingual data is a challenge. Moreover, privacy and data protection laws can limit the availability of such data. Computational resources. Training state-of-the-art AI models requires enormous computational power. OpenAI, for example, has access to cutting-edge infrastructure and cloud computing services from providers like Microsoft. In India, while there are advancements in tech infrastructure, there is still a gap in terms of computational resources for large-scale AI model training. Funding and investment. Developing an AI chatbot on the scale of leading global models requires substantial investment. Countries like the United States have massive funding from both public and private sectors to back these projects. While India has tech companies like Infosys, Wipro, and Tata Consultancy Services, which invest in AI, there isn't yet the same level of funding dedicated specifically to AI research, especially for cutting-edge large language model development. Talent and expertise. India has a large pool of AI talent, with many researchers, engineers, and entrepreneurs working in the field. However, the focus in India has historically been on building AI for specific applications, like finance, healthcare, and customer service, rather than creating general-purpose conversational AI systems like ChatGPT. Additionally, while India produces many top-tier engineers, there is a global shortage of AI researchers with the expertise needed to create these large-scale models. Focus on other areas. Indian tech companies and startups tend to focus on areas like automation, AI for business solutions, fintech, and healthcare, which are more immediately practical and marketable. While conversational AI is a growing field, the emphasis has often been on providing solutions for specific industries or problems rather than developing general-purpose AI systems. Regulatory and ethical concerns. There are various ethical and regulatory considerations when developing AI, especially regarding data privacy, misinformation, and bias. India has been working on data protection laws, such as the Personal Data Protection Bill and AI-related guidelines, but the regulatory framework is still evolving. These regulations can sometimes slow down the pace of AI innovation or make it harder to create systems on the scale of global competitors. India is a linguistically diverse country with over 22 official languages and thousands of dialects. Building an AI chatbot that understands and interacts in multiple languages with the cultural context intact is a significant challenge. While progress is being made with multilingual AI, creating a model that understands the nuances of each language is complex and requires a deep understanding of India's cultural context. Global players like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft have invested heavily in AI research and are developing advanced chatbots with substantial financial backing. India, despite its growing tech scene, is still catching up in some areas, especially in large-scale deep learning models. The competition from established companies with global reach can make it challenging for Indian companies to match up. Despite these challenges, India has shown promise in the AI space. Government initiatives, such as AI for All and Digital India, aim to promote AI research and development. Indian startups are also developing AI-driven products, including chatbots for customer service, healthcare, and education. In recent years, some Indian companies and universities have been focusing on AI research and building models for specific use cases. As the ecosystem for AI research matures, we could see more innovations coming from India in the near future. India's focus on improving its AI infrastructure, increasing investment, and fostering talent in the field of conversational AI may eventually lead to the development of an AI chatbot comparable to global players. However, the challenges mentioned above, data access, resources, investment, and competition, are substantial and require concerted efforts from both the public and private sectors.